Today I'm going to make a very easy peach cobbler. Anyone can make this. If you think you can't make a cobbler, you can. It's really easy. Now I'm doubling this recipe for my family. So if you don't want this amount of a cobbler, you would just half all the ingredients that I'm going to use, okay? First of all, we're going to put 2 cups of Bisquick. We're just going to go ahead and put this in our baking dish. We are going to put a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I've got my little recipe book over here. Now we are going to whisk this all together. I love it. You can just mix this right up in the dish. That smells good. Well, I knew I'd make a mess. It's not me if I didn't do something, you know. I got new glasses today and I'm still trying to get used to them. Have to wear bifocals, but they have to be lineless. And I had to get the transitional lens because of the light bothers me. Okay, we've got that all whisked together there. Okay, I've got 2 sticks of melted butter. And we're going to put 2 cups of milk in. Now, we're going to mix this all up. I don't know about y'all, but I love peach cobbler. So does my family. And this is sure an easy way to make it. The dogs are being quiet for now, which I'm glad. It's another beautiful day here in Kentucky. Lots of sunshine. I think it's about 64. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Now those little things, they'll bake out of it, so don't be concerned about that, about the little pieces in there of the Bisquick. It'll bake out of it and it's going to be fine. I'll move this out of the way. Like I said, I'm doubling the recipe, so if you want to make a smaller amount, just half everything. Okay. Now I've got canned peaches, and right now I don't think there are really good peaches here in Kentucky. I don't know about other states, but yeah. Okay, now this called for a large 29-ounce can of peaches or 2 regular cans. Now because I'm doubling this recipe and I only had the small cans, I'm using 4 15-ounce cans. Now we're going to take 2 cups of sugar and we're going to pour it over our peaches. We're going to mix this all up. Preheat your oven to 375. And you do drain the peaches. I'm not sure if I said that or not, but you do drain them. So, get the sugar all mixed up in there. This is going to be good. Like I said, any of y'all can make a peach cobbler. Any of y'all can make a cherry cobbler or blackberry or blueberry. Because this is easy enough, anyone can do it. And I always like to encourage people that think that they can't bake or can't make stuff. You can. See, I got all the confidence in the world in you. And as I always say, I know there's probably 100 other ways to make a peach cobbler, but this is just how I make it for my family. Okay, we got that all mixed up. What we're going to do is we're going to cover this up with these peaches. And I'm not going to stand here and make y'all watch me do all this. So as soon as I get the stuff all put on, I'll be back. Okay, I've got this all done. Hope y'all can see that. Now I'm going to put it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour. I know our ovens are different, so you're just going to have to check on it. And when the top is all golden brown, it should be done, but check it. And I'm going to get this in the oven and start baking this goodness. I just pulled this cobbler out of the oven, and I wish you all could smell this. There it is. And if you want to, what would go good with this would be some vanilla ice cream. If you want to put whipped topping on it, but I think vanilla ice cream would be wonderful with this, and of course we don't have any. So my sweet Eric, he's just going to have it without ice cream unless he stops and gets him some on the way home, and he might. He didn't know I was going to bake his today, but if he's watching the video, he's going to know it. So, and our older son, he's done been in here sniffing around. So, I don't think this will last very long, but it smells wonderful. So, when my sweet Eric gets home and has supper, then I'm sure he's going to be trying this cobbler. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Remember, it'll be okay, and I love y'all.